Meaning of Esky.
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 Esky. Esky refers to a brand of portable coolers commonly used for outdoor activities such as camping and boating. The term has become synonymous with portable coolers in Australia, where the brand originates from. Esky is known for its high-quality, durable products that can keep food and beverages cold for extended periods. They come in various sizes, styles, and colors, and are designed to be easy to use in transport. Many outdoor enthusiasts rely on Esky coolers to keep their food and drinks cold while enjoying their favorite activities in nature.